headed to Ryan Scott's Pure Function 2nd annual Supra meet. I'm in the Supra. I got the wife and the dogs in the Durango. We actually got a hotel for the night, so we don't have to drive 3 hours back. So this should be a fun event. It's only open to Supra owners. We can't have spectators, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is, you know, the whole virus thing. So I'm probably gonna do some pulls for you guys. Like I'm actually gonna do them unlike last time. And I gotta do some data logging for my tuner. He wants 2nd and 3rd gear pulls and 3 different boost settings because I'm getting boost cuts. We're gonna try to figure that out. But yeah, pretty excited for this event. I wanted to go really bad last year and I just couldn't make it work. And now I'm up in Pennsylvania, so I really don't have an excuse. So let's do some pulls.
Yeah, you called me. And they were like funny. It was very funny and sweet. One night I took the gang out to Barbarian Stadium's
Boost cut.
wiping off the car like I'm not about to just beat the shit out of it.
Oh, Lord.
I don't know if it'll actually do it.
You don't know if it'll actually do it.
See if I can get this down right.
Do it again. I think this thing just died. So I didn't.
Get everything on the truck, fuck that.
Them E85 days. So this is BB's car, Brandon Bless, GTR. Hey BB!
Guys, look at me!
Is it full bolt on? What's on your car?
Full bolt on E85, it's slow. Ryan beat it.
Ryan, yeah, but Ryan's car is more horsepower than yours. Yay! Wow.
It's just a full bolt on.
Who's that?
Sean.
GSX Sean?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I would love a GTR, man. They'd be so much fun.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy. This is going on my YouTube, I don't care. Hey Sean, it's about time you show up.
Hi.
Eat dinner.
Where'd you guys go?
Warehouse.
BB! BB! Well, it's BB's car, so he's gonna let you rev it.
Well, first of all, do you know how the door handle works?
No.
So push right there. Yep, and
So
then
then I
grab,
pull.
yep.
If you're gonna own one, you need to know these things.
Well, you know, you kind of threw me into this all of a sudden,
So you like it?
so. I mean, it's like my ultimate. So, I was gonna say, I'm a little sure.
Give it a little rev.
Scare everybody. I mean, Raven's out here, so.
Go.
Like, you tell her, I don't know.
No, just go. Don't be scared. Go.
I don't want your car, so we don't do too much because I do have neighbors.
I know.
So loud.
You sure you want one?
Yes.
Okay,
You're
put
not gonna change my
the seat back.
Nah, I gotta adjust it anyway. I'm still cool.
Did that make you happy? Well, don't rev it anymore.
I know, but mine's not gonna be this loud. I'm just gonna turn the wipers on. It's bothering me.
Turn it. Turn the top button. Hey, baby. How the hell do you turn the wipers on?
Just like, you know what? Down. Just push it down.
Like
There
that.
you go.
Oh my god.
Nah, it's all good.
Well, there's a lot, so.
So this is what you want?
I mean, it's kind of small, but.
Well, no, these are these stock seats?
Yeah.
But
No,
they
it's
go
gonna
up
be-
though,
it's
right?
gonna be-
Yeah.
No,
Baby,
they
these
go up.
seats go up.
And
So I can
the
sit
steering
in
wheel
that.
does tilt
Well,
and
yeah, it'll
telescope.
come down,
Yeah.
yeah.
No, it can come in and out too.
And then you'll have your paddle shifters and everything. Don't push
I'm
them.
not.
No, you can hurt them.
Oh, that's right. It's in park. Yeah.
Either way.
And then you see where your start and stop is right there in the middle? I can see you driving that.
Don't do it. Just leave nice. No launching.
Was that a joke?
No.
I don't want to make cat mad.
No.
Well, that's why I didn't want to rev it, because Raven was already.
Cat said
That's
no.
why I was getting. I was like, I don't want
Hey,
to rev it.
Cat said no.
What?
Well, Raven didn't like it, so that's why. I was like, I don't want to.
You could do it like down
Do
there.
it down there. No, do it up there then. You're not on the run.
He has a solid point.
You're out down there. Or do it this way going up there. That's perfect. Get on that street. Get on that street. Yeah, it all circles around.
Isn't the peer pressure so wonderful around here?
Tell him to go to the side road and then launch it. You do it there, just don't do it here.
Yeah, he said don't do it here. You can do it up
Right there
there.
on the side.
Like at the stop sign?
Right here.
I don't know. He said don't do it right
That's
here.
side road right
You can do it
there.
up there. Hurry up! My camera's gonna run out of space. hope you guys enjoyed the content. I'm heading back now. Got the wife behind me again with the dogs. I'm just enjoying this nice little country road. I do need to do some more tuning. Apparently my mode switch is hooked up wrong, and my lambda was actually changing based on my mode switch, which is not good. I could really hurt my engine like that. It's on 0 now while it's just off the throttle, and it's on 0 at idle now, but I'm in mode switch 10, which is 27 psi and 10-mile-an-hour wheel slip. So it literally just breaks the tires loose in 3rd gear when it gets into boost, and it's kind of terrifying. So yeah, so that's where we're at. I got to get that fixed. We just left Ryan's, just picked up the Supra, obviously, and gonna just enjoy this nice drive home. And this road's actually a little fun too, a little windy. Getting a little bit of boost. There we go. So that's fun. But yeah, so next video, it'll be the Dewala design underplate. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.